To another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. Here on my channel I share planning and organizational videos plus so much more over on my blog chaoticcritic.com. The link is in the description box. Today's video is a part of my cheap planning series. I will link my previous installments below in the description box as well, but today I wanted to share how I store my die cuts. Now, storing die cuts, ephemera, whatever you want to call it, has been a challenge for me. I've had them scattered in all different containers. They've been organized, but it's been organized chaos. So I wanted to find a system that I would be able to have the same size container and have it all in one central location. And I think I was able to achieve that with what I found. So I went on YouTube. YouTube is a great resource, of course, and I found that people were using photo boxes. Of course, I've tried the photo boxes. They didn't really work out for me. And plus, with these types of photo boxes with the closure, it never stayed closed for me. I tried to use Velcro to keep it closed, and that just really didn't work either. Then I used the cellophane bags that the products would come in. But again, I wanted something that was all the same size, so this wasn't necessarily going to work. And I also wanted it to where I would be able to flip through it versus having them all stacked on top of each other. Then through my further research, I saw that people were using CD cases. Now this, you pop out the bottom of the CD case, and this was the perfect size. The only issue is that this part here, once you took all the packaging out from the album, it was open, and a lot of ephemera comes with smaller pieces. Now with larger die cut pieces, then it's not that big of a deal, but with the smaller ones, whether it's like hearts or dots, they would fall out of here. And I also didn't have a container that would hold this, and I didn't want to go and buy a new one. So I went online and I went on YouTube, not YouTube, of course I kept searching on YouTube, but I went on Amazon and I looked for these clear CD sleeves, and I was able to get 100. The 100 count that I found was like, it was like $6, $7 or so dollars. It was under $10, and here they are. Now, I'll show them to you with and without the Velcro. So they come like this. You fold them. Here's a little opening. You fold them down at the crease that is at the top of the package, and voila. The only thing with this is that when I folded it down, it would still have this little flap here that was raising up. So then I went into my stash and I found that I still had some Velcro dots left over. So I put a dot at the top, in the middle, and that is how I keep it. And then here is the basket where I was storing my die cuts before in photo boxes, and this literally condensed everything, because inside of here I was only able to store about 4 or 5 of the photo boxes. So this right here is just absolutely amazing. So just to show you guys some of the ones I have in here, these are all of the Christmas ones that I got from Tuesday morning, and what I did was I put the packaging of it on the back and then all of the ephemera in the front. So that is a great way to keep track of where it's coming from. And then I had some Halloween ones from Michael's, and what I did was I just put it on the front and the back, just flipped it. These also are all from Michael's. Here's some of the summer ones. And then these two were in a pack together. Well, same collection. And what I did was, instead of throwing them all in one pack, I decided to separate it from just the regular die cuts and then the ones that had phrases on them. So that is that. And how I have them right now is that I just have like the Christmas ones in the back. I just have them back there. I just was really happy that they all fit inside of here. So now that I'm on camera with you guys, I'm going to organize some more. So back to these mason jar ones. This one I got from Joann's. It's a part of their little $1.99 line, Sparkle & Co. Papery. And then I got these little tiny ones. And I'm going to put these together. And the thing with me having them stacked up in my previous storage system is that I would never be able to, I wouldn't realize just how much I had. Now these I'm going to turn to the side, and then I'm going to put the little ones in the back. So voila, because those would not stand up. So there's another one. Now I also have all of these Valentine ones here. So now it's time to sort these. This is a large photo box, and I like this one because it has that snap closure. But again, I don't want to have all my die cuts sporadically in different systems. I want to have them all in one. So this will now house something else. Don't know what yet, but that's that. So now I'm going to take all the larger pieces and put those together. So all the large ones, and then I guess this is like middle-ish. Also gonna create a pile for the clear ones. And then like all the super duper tiny ones are gonna go by themselves. So and then again with the Velcro, I just take one of the dots, put it up top, take the other piece, put it, oh, that one's broken. So that one's a fail. I don't know why that one was like cut in half, but whatever. Then put it on the other piece, fold it. I should have folded it before, but whatever. Where's the little crease? Okay, there's the crease, and then boom. There it is. So that is it for how I store my ephemera and die cuts. Let me know how you guys store your stash in the comment section below. Be sure to check out the blog chaoticcritic.com, plus my Instagram at chaoticcritic. They're both links in the description box. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.